Welcome to our video presentation on adverbs derived from the stem form. In this video, we'll explore a fascinating array of adverbs that can significantly enhance your ability to describe the world around you, whether you're talking about nature, human creations, or abstract concepts. The stem form has many different meanings, but it is generally associated with the idea of shape, structure, or appearance. From this stem, we can derive a variety of adverbs that describe different aspects of form. We'll provide clear definitions for each of these adverbs and offer practical examples to demonstrate their usage. Adverb 1. Conformably. Meaning, in a way that agrees with or obeys rules or standards or expectations. Example, the students sat conformably in their desks. She dressed conformably to the office dress code. Here's a short conversation that incorporates some of this adverb.
Have you seen the newly constructed building in the city?
Yes, I visited it yesterday. It's impressively designed and conformably blends with the surrounding architecture. The architect really considered the environment.
Adverb 2. Deformably. Meaning, in a way that is not normal or correct in shape or form. In a manner that involves distortion or alteration of the original shape or form. Example, the tree had been deformed by the storm. The artist intentionally deformed the sculpture to create a unique work of art. Here's a short conversation that incorporates some of this adverb.
I love taking long walks in the countryside.
Me too. The landscape changes so deformably as we move through different regions. It's fascinating to witness nature's diversity.
Adverb 3. Formally. Meaning, in a serious or official way. In a manner that is according to established rules or etiquette. Example, the students were formally dressed for the graduation ceremony. The meeting was conducted formally, with strict adherence to the agenda. Here's a short conversation that incorporates some of this adverb.
I need to prepare a formal report for the meeting.
Make sure it's presented formally with all the necessary data and structure. A well-organized report is more likely to make a strong impression.
Adverb 4. Informatively. Meaning, in a way that provides useful information or knowledge. The presentation was informatively organized, offering valuable insights into the topic. Here's a short conversation that incorporates some of this adverb.
I'm researching climate change for my essay.
That's a critical topic. You should approach it informatively and rely on credible sources to provide a comprehensive understanding of the issue.
5. Nonconformingly. Meaning, in a way that does not follow the rules or standards. Example. His attire was nonconformingly eclectic, making him stand out in the crowd. Here's a short conversation that incorporates some of this adverb.
He always dresses so uniquely, it's like he's from another planet.
Yes, his style is nonconformingly creative. He doesn't follow fashion trends, and he stands out with his originality.
Adverb 6. Performatively. Meaning, in a way that is intended to impress or entertain. In a manner that emphasizes or expresses something through actions or performance. Example. The actor gave a performative reading of the poem. Here's a short conversation that incorporates some of this adverb.
I'm nervous about my presentation. Any tips?
Try to deliver it performatively. Engage your audience with enthusiasm and gestures to convey your message effectively.
Using these adverbs not only adds color to your conversations and writing but also demonstrates your command of the language. Challenge yourself to use these adjectives in your everyday conversations, writing, or creative projects. If you're enjoying what you see and find this video helpful or entertaining, please consider giving it a thumbs up by clicking the like button below. Don't hesitate to hit the share button. Sharing is caring, after all.